If you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint slides look more polished, especially when adding things like footnotes, mathematical equations, or chemical formulas, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to superscript text in PowerPoint using quick keyboard shortcuts. No more digging through menus, just clean, fast formatting that makes your slides look professional in seconds. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and navigate to the slide that contains the text you want to format. Click inside the text box and then highlight the portion of text you want to turn into superscript. This could be a number in a formula, a reference mark, or even an exponent like x squared. Now, here comes the shortcut magic. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus equals. And if you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus plus. As soon as you hit those keys, your highlighted text will instantly shift slightly upward and become smaller. That's the superscript effect. Need to turn it back to normal text? Simply highlight it again and press the same shortcut. PowerPoint toggles it off automatically. Now, if for some reason the shortcut doesn't work, maybe your keyboard layout is different. You can also access Superscript manually. Just go to the Home tab, click the Font dialog box launcher, and the tiny arrow in the bottom right corner of the font section, and check the box labeled Superscript. Then click OK to apply. And that's it. You've just learned the fastest way to create superscripts in PowerPoint using nothing but your keyboard. It's a small trick, but one that makes a big difference in how clean and professional your slides look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more quick PowerPoint tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.